guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today I will be doing a little pumpkin spice makeup tutorial. The look is fully done right here. I used one eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I try to break it down as best as I can so y'all can achieve this look too. If you're interested to see how I did it, then keep watching. Starting out with this Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. It is one of my go-tos. Really good for dry skin. And over that, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Blur Stick. This is just a really good additional primer. You can use this alone without the Too Faced. I like to combine it from time to time, but it's good at just kind of hiding pores. And right when you put like foundation or CC cream afterwards, it like blurs everything out. It's really, really good. So I'm just going to swipe this on my face a couple of times. And then before I jump into eyes, I'm going to put this Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Rose Gold Eye Masks. To prime my eyes, I'm just going to use Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. This is in shade Warm Beige. Now I'm going to jump in and use a brand new palette from Tarte. This is their Eye and Cheek palette from the Holiday collection. And I'm going to jump into this one right here. We're gonna go into this very pretty purpley brown shade right here. And I don't think it has names. Oh, it's Nutmeg. And I like to place the product, like literally just pop it in, and then I'll blend out. And then I'll also take this right below that first shade that I did. I just realized when you do your eyeshadow, it's like you're making a rainbow. You know how there's like different colors and it just layers right underneath? That's what you're doing here. So you have that little light brown and you're going in with this nutmeg shade and you're really creating a rainbow on your eyes. I'm actually gonna do a half cut crease with the concealer that I used as a primer. Now there's a few shimmer shades that I want to put right here on my lid to create a little ombre of shimmers for this pumpkin spice look. So there is this really pretty orangey yellow that just screams pumpkin. So I'm gonna take a more defined brush like this, grab onto that shade, and I'm gonna put it closer to the corner. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with this, this shade right here. I am gonna use the same brush though so that everything blends nicely. I'm only gonna put this right next to the yellow gold, and it's gonna be a very small portion. Now the third shimmer shade is gonna be this one right here. I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, which is here, and just go right underneath my brow. And then we will also round out the whole look by applying the light brown and that dark purple underneath my eyes, but it's gonna be after I put on concealer. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off my Wander Beauty eye mask. I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This has SPF 30 in it, and it's in shade Almond. I can actually do almond or sand, or even a blend of those two would work well for me. Gonna blend it with this Artiste brush. I've been using this a lot lately. It just blends everything so nicely. Time to conceal. Tarte Shape Tape in shade medium. And since I did go in with a tinted moisturizer, I'll probably bring this down a little bit. Further, add as much as possible to cover those acne scars. Go ahead and just kind of tap that in down the bridge of my nose because I'm like Rudolph and my nose is always red. So we're gonna conceal, conceal. I have been loving doing eyeshadow first because right when you put the concealer on and you blend, you just take whatever tool you're using and kind of drag upwards like this, and it already cleans up your eyeshadow. Time to quickly lock things in place with my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. Holy grail, you guys know this. For brows, I'm taking my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Full, and this is in shade Universal Taupe. This is what the actual pencil looks like. And I love it for, especially if you do have brows on the thicker end. Gonna go in and bronze my skin with Hourglass. This is their Luminous Bronze Light. It looks like this. It is stunning, has a teensy bit of shimmer, but an acceptable amount of shimmer. Like it's good shimmer. And then I always tell everyone, if you are new to bronzing, just kind of go in like a 3, like so. One tip that I learned is if you want more of like a chiseled bronze, then take your powder or whatever you're using and kind of go this direction, go upwards, like flick it up instead of down, which is what I used to do. So I've been flicking it upwards lately, and you just kind of get a more defined bronze. Taking that same bronzer with a pencil like this, and we're going to define my nose, make it smaller. Surgery without the needles. Up next is a blush that I think is so perfect for pumpkin spice. This is Benefit's Livin' the California Dream. Stunning on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. Has like pink, hints of gold, a little bit of coral. I'm here for it. Now we're gonna round out the eyes using the shadows that we use, not the shimmer ones, but the 2 matte ones on the corner, and we're gonna round it out right here. It'll make such a difference using just any small, more defined brush, like a little smudge brush, starting with the lighter shade in the center. And then we're gonna go in with that dark nutmeg shade right over here. Gonna flick it upwards to have like a lifting effect. Do I want to put eyeliner? Do I want to put eyeliner? Do I want to? No. Long comb primer. We're gonna prime the eyes. This will just help the mascara stay on longer, but also make it longer and voluminous. So NARS mascara. This is their Climax mascara. I feel like I don't see a lot of people talk about this mascara, but when I'm reaching for something, like especially when I'm traveling, this is something I reach for very often. I take it with me all the time when I travel, and I'm gonna show you guys why. I don't know why, I feel like it's a little underrated, but so good. And I really try to blink when I apply mascara, like that. Look at the difference. I just feel like, I don't know, it's so good. And it lasts all day long. Doesn't clump, easy application. So I really wanted a nice pop of orange on my lips, as you can see. So I'm going in with Live Tinted. This is their Hue Stick in shade Rise. It is the perfect fall lip color, perfect. Very blendable. And honestly ties the whole pumpkin spice look together. So I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss. Let's try this Marc Jacobs gloss. It's like a new one that came in, and it is shade Atomic. It's very pretty. I'm gonna put this in the center of my lip. See what happens. Now I want an inner corner pop on my eyes. So in the same palette, there's actually a really light gold. I think the gold will look really good with this combination. Gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder and just kind of apply it to areas that need it. So right here. And I set it here because sometimes when you hug people, and let's say they're wearing white, whenever you hug them, you go in right here, and you don't want that makeup to rub off on them. So I really try to set it here more than anywhere. And up here to get rid of some of the shine on my T-zone. Too Faced Hangover. All right, you guys, I'm gonna pop in a little highlight. This is Too Faced. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it's making you crave pumpkin spice everything. Be sure to decorate your home with all pumpkins. That's something we're gonna do literally as soon as we get back from Italy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, and of course, we will chat soon. Bye.